My suggestions are as follows. First, the national government should be reconfigured to comprise the national executive headed by the president and the official opposition headed by the leader of the party or coalition of parties whose presidential candidate wins the second highest votes. That is good for accountability. And secondly, it removes or mitigates the winner-take-all perception. The leader of the party which becomes second becomes the leader of the opposition, and with his or her running mate automatically becomes members of parliament and assume the leadership of official opposition. This formula should apply at the county level as well. I further propose that with the leader of opposition taking leadership of the opposition in parliament, the deputy president should then take over the leadership of government business in parliament. This should be replicated at the county level by deputy governors. The Senate, we must make a decision to make the Senate the upper house. Thirdly, cabinet secretaries should be ex officio members of parliament and must attend sittings of parliament at least once a week, and whenever required to answer questions on the floor of the House. This will remove the perception that there is a disconnect between the executive and the legislature. I, however, maintain that members of cabinet should not be elected members of parliament. Fourthly, we must resolve once and for all the mechanism for the attainment of the 2/3 gender rule. We must apply ourselves to it, we must deal with it, and we must overcome it. We must resolve once and for all the mechanism for the attainment of the 2/3 gender rule. We must apply ourselves to it, we must deal with it, and we must overcome it. The contest for the leadership of Kenya should be about track record, ideas, a program that works, because that is what will make the difference in Kenya. It is not about the things that will not matter to the people of Kenya. We were told in 2017 that you cannot win an election on the basis of a development track record as a government. You need some emotional things. You need to appeal to emotion. You need to appeal to your community. You need to appeal to... But we said, no, Kenyans can see for themselves what we have managed to achieve.